मैसूर डायरी पार्ट 2। सो हम लोग भी चेंज कर चुके हैं. इट इज़ स्टिल डे 1 बट वी जस्ट रेस्टेड अ लिटिल बिट. और अभी हम लोगों ने चेंज कर लिया है. वी आर ट्राइंग टू गो टू ईट लंच. होटल RRR इज़ द फेमस वन दैट आई हर्ड. सो वहाँ जाके हम लोग मटन पुलाव खाएंगे अगर अवेलेबल हुआ तो. एंड उसके बाद विल सी विद इन द सिटी वी माइट प्रॉब्ली जस्ट गो अराउंड एंड या मोर टू कम. हम लोग फिलोमिना चर्च में आए हैं एंड विल सी द स्ट्रक्चर हियर आर सो ब्यूटिफुल. लेट्स गो.
क्या चल रहा है? वो एक चर्च है यहाँ पे, बड़ा चर्च. बाद में देखो इसके पास सब वीडियो है. 38 बोले ना,
1931. ऑलराइट, सो हम लोग ये फिलोमिना चर्च में हैं बट you'll have to give your shoes or put your shoes in the counter before you enter the church. So that's what we did. थोड़ा walk है but it's not a big deal. How was the experience for you?
वेरी नाइस.
I felt blissful.
आई टू.
Yeah. It was so beautiful. I just could not believe that they built this church in such a way. Like it has that grey and black kind of. Let me show you. So the grey and black stone and the work on it is just so amazing. Loved it. Our next place will be depending upon our rickshaw wala. जामिया मस्जिद। सो ब्यूटीफुल ट्रीज यार। So now we're going to car museum. पायाना, I don't know what, वो कनाडा में क्या लिखा है पता नहीं, बट पायाना लिखा हुआ है।
उधर भी पायाना ही लिखा था जो तुम
एक्साइटेड टू सी द पायाना। इसका मतलब किसी को पता है तो बता दो। ब्रांड का नाम थोड़ी ना, ब्रांड का नाम हो सकता है क्या? ये ऐसा लग रहा है बहुत बड़ा टायर है, लेकिन ओनली हाफ है। इसके पीछे कुछ नहीं है।
कुछ ब्रांड में नहीं है। म्यूजियम का क्या ब्रांड है?
बट होता है ना वो गाड़ी का ब्रांड।
जिसका मीनिंग रहेगा पायाना रखने से कुछ नहीं मिलता।
हमको पायाना में एक्सपेक्टेशन ये है कि टीपू सुल्तान का गाड़ी मिलेगा देखने के लिए, लेकिन मुझे नहीं लगता ऐसा है।
क्या बोल रहे हैं? अभी सुनाई दे रहा, बोल क्या बोल रहे हैं?
This museum is actually amazing. We were about to miss it, but I asked our rickshaw wala uncle that what is Payana, and he mentioned it's a car museum. And oh my god, wow, what a surprise. This was an amazing find. Wow. Let's go get some cars. Oh, sorry. Let's go see some cars. Okay, this seems to be a 1925 Fiat 501. I wonder how it will be to just sit in it. I've seen all of this in Downton Abbey. This is Fiat 521. If you just look at it, like it looks like in mint condition, but I don't know if it is even functional. This is a Ford car. And this is Morris Series E. Morris 8 Series E. That's what it says. Just amazing. You guys have to come here. Anytime you are in Mysore, please do not miss this. Oh wow. This is Fraser F47 CS Manhattan. Just fabulous. So I was just strolling through and this is what I found. This is Buck Series 50 Super 8. Alright, you guys have to see this car. Wow. I would like to take a ride on this car. In this car. So here are the bikes. Don't know what year they belong to, but everything looks so fabulous. I'm just in awe of this place. I don't even know how to ride a bike nor a car, but oh my gosh, this is so cute. Yum. Few more to see. The colors were so vibrant back then. I don't know what happened. We're all in red, black and white. Amazing. I wonder if they are functional. Chevrolet Bel Air. What a beauty. This is a dream of someone who loves car. Look at that. This is Chevrolet Impala. I realize that there is a basement as well, and that's where we are going right now. So they made the basement like not with steps but with this what's it called? What's this called? Huh?
Slope.
A slope thing where it almost I mean it's not almost, but it resembles the car that you will take it, right? That's like amazing detailing. Like I said, just amazing detailing. And look at this giant truck. Would you call that a truck? I don't know. Let's see what's this is called. Okay, it is truck, but it is military truck. Superb work. Totally impressed, guys. Totally impressed. This is Chevrolet. Chevrolet military truck as well. This is made in Russia. Oh, look at this. That's Caspier Mark II. My camera doesn't hold all the truck in it, but I'm gonna go behind. Okay, there you go. This is Ford's truck. I love this car. Super. I'm just impressed. Impressed is not even a right word or a word that justifies how I feel right now. Ooh, that's our Kali Pili Kadi. Some memories associated with it. We still have it, but nice to see here. These are more of like modern cars, all Mercedes. I wonder if these car numbers are actual numbers. I don't know. It's a super Jaguar. It is literally taking my breath away. Can't tell you. So this is a museum within the car museum. Doesn't have any description, but looks like from the Yor. Okay, this seems to be like an air condition. Wow. What is this? These are some engineering tools. It's on, oh, it's sugarcane machine. That's what it says there. Okay, this is where I guess they used to make some food. Is this studio camera? My gosh, look at this typewriter. That's Model 5. It's from 1800s. This is from 1800. This is from 1900. Something for entertainment. This has to be a printing machine. Saw something like this in Pondicherry Museum. And this is paper cutting machine. So we're all very tired. All में क्या है, both of us. The weather is still good, so it's nice to just walk around. But yeah, you have to have good stamina to just walk around this entire place. So next I think we're going to garden if it is open. No? But we'll see. We're also hungry. So
No, we are super hungry.
we're super hungry, she says. Cool. I'll see you soon. That's Payana for you. This was a very good memory. Thank you, Mysore, for having this. Look at the weather. It hasn't rained yet, and I'm glad it's not rained yet because we can roam around freely. We don't even have our umbrellas on us, so but it's so cool, so amazing. I mean, what other adjectives that we can think about? It is everything.
अच्छा बोल सकते Yeast.
The chicken is very tender.
Oh my god, this is इतना tasty
Fish
है.
skin. So crispy.